Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we are going to see the before and after result after we change an air filter. Now, this car has already gone 155,000 kilometers without changing the air filter, so I expect maybe a bit of an improvement. Alright, and just so you know, we are working on the Ford EcoSport 1.5 liter year 2015. So this is a 7-year-old car with the filter never been replaced before. This is the new one. Let's take out the old one. And to remove the old one, what we will need is just a top screw, T25, and we'll need to remove this. Alright, just push it up, and then just pull it out. And then we'll need to remove this. So there's 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, at all 4 corners. Woohoo! Okay, let's have a look. This is very, very dirty. Wow. Compared to the new one, it's the difference is really noticeable. Okay, so this is CN119601AD for Moco, made in Spain, and this is same thing, CN119601AD, made in Spain by Fomoco as well. Okay, this one, woohoo! Let's put this name one in. And then installing is just the opposite of how we take it out. Now let's have a look at the results, alright? Okay, so we're done with the test drive and the result is in. So in terms of horsepower, we were at 102 and now we are at 111.2. So that's about a 10% increase in horsepower. In terms of torque, we were at 132.9. and we are at about 135.2, so not that much of a difference in terms of torque, probably about 2-3%. Okay, so we did see a significant increase in terms of the horsepower. That's a 10%. So if you actually watch the previous video, we actually gained another 12% as well from the spark plug change. So overall we have about 20% increase from changing the spark plug as well as the air filter. Okay, so again, as I was saying, 155,000 kilometers, these two things has not been changed. It has sort of been neglected. I'm sorry to this car, but my wife drives it, so yeah. Okay, so I believe this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something. I hope that you do some maintenance on your car. Check your air filter, see if it's clogged up. Check your spark plugs as well, see if it's full or the gap is a bit too big, right? Okay, so that's it. Thank you. And if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and bell button so you get notified on our next upload the next time. Alright? Till then, I will see you again. By the way, my eyes is always looking on this side because that's where the screen is, but the camera is on this side. Oh well. See ya!